Tune for tune time. Shockwave sound, are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? All right. First tune from Shockwave sound will start right now. Will start.
Bless up. Yo, Emperor, when you talk about money song, make sure you pay $1,000 and better song. You come with your bag of $300, $400 song. Yo, let me tell you something. Money song.
Like this is Steve Ragamuffin Marley. Shockwave sound, lion sound, see? See that in the day, fire
You
burn.
talk a bag of shit all night.
Some sound boy a chat, but in speech them low. I try to shockwave with some media.
All right. That was tune number 1 from Shockwave. That was tune number 1 from Shockwave. All right, Emperor, are you ready? Send the request, Emperor. Send the request. I got big up yourself, my cousin. Big up yourself. All right, Shockwave. That was the first song from Shockwave. Like I said, we're going to 6 rounds. We're going to 6 rounds. Emperor, are you ready? Emperor, are you ready? All right. Emperor, you know where you're going. Look like you're going to go drink more liquor, brother. Wait there. All right. Let's see if Emperor is ready. Emperor, all right, good. The first song in a dub for Emperor starts now.
Where's I want to go? If Emperor ready? Hey, and my but I dance this. Some sound one class, but them down the throne. Boy, follow this. Now, you see the lane where me I go down now? You can't follow me. But guess what? Me can follow you, but you can't follow me. Dennis Brown. Boy, always the one to be by your side.
All right. That was Emperor's first tune for tune. Moving into the second round right now. Shockwave. Moving into the second round. Shockwave, send the request. Send the request, Shockwave. Send the request. All right.
That is one thing a little weak fence always do. Them draw back for Dennis Brown, nitty gritty, whatever them fucking up. But me, I go play a tune with Shockwave alone can play. No Stone Love, no Bass Odyssey, nobody else can play that song here. We alone. Play a song.
This one is exclusive in the dance. No other song draw this one. Only Shockwave sound. Right now is yours truly embarrassing with his long
It's a
style.
combination.
Somewhere down in Lila.
Now you run for Dennis Brown. You're weak fence with your bum buckler.
Yes, I'm
Oh.
Oh, Lord have mercy now. Shockwave sound. Oh, yes. Lord God, hey. Some need to jump around because we today. But we know, say them afraid. Come on. Them go here say a shockwave sound a play. And you know them.
Well, wait for Marcia.
Oh, yes, shockwave is the best sound round here. And yes, we murder jump on anywhere. They say please. But now
Where Marcia there?
no second chance. We're gonna kill them tonight.
All right. That was the second tune from Shockwave. Emperor, send the request from now. That was the second tune from Shockwave. All right. Derek, no easy, you know. All right. So moving into the second dub for